ultramarine, a little more of my ultramarine. I want some more defined brushes or trees right here. I'm just going back and forth with my paintbrush. I put a line and then I'm going back and forth. And then I'm going to just smooth out the bottom so he sort of fades into the fog, okay? It's almost like a smiley face movement. So it's not real complicated, but it takes a little bit for your hand to figure out how to do this. But you make a line and then you go smiley face, and smooth out the bottom, okay? And it looks like a distant tree being defined inside the fog. You put one right in here that maybe just the top is visible and the rest of it's disappearing into the fog. See? Pretty cool, huh? I think I need another layer right in here. Some taller, some shorter. Now, on that bottom up just a little bit. Okay, now we can put some bigger lines in these forward because they're a little bit further forward. When you're doing the forward section, dip your brush into the water and then into the paint, and you will get, it will release more paint. It'll be a little waterier, but not too watery that it's not going to stick or anything, but just watery enough that it will create those little branches that you want. See how my eye is trying to make them all evenly distant? The eye will try to do that to you, and I encourage you to stop it. just say no. Because the eye does tend to try to make everything even. The brain wants to make it all even, and we don't want it even. We want it looking very natural. Okay. More of a bluish tint on some of these. I'm trying to do it such a light touch. Sometimes it takes me 3 strokes just to get it to touch the canvas. That's how light my touch is when I'm doing these. I don't want it real thick. Now, if you are more of a impasto type painter, it's a thicker paint, then you do whatever it feels like you're wanting to create. Please adjust this. I always tell my students, you don't want it to look like mine. It's your painting. Mine is simply an inspiration, and my examples that I give you as I paint is just techniques. Techniques that I learned in art school, techniques that you can use to create whatever it is that you're seeing. So you want it to look the way that you're seeing it.